ॐ गुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ गुरुभ्यो नमः। Chakra meditation and the functions of chakra and color and petals and related organs. Base chakra related organ, adrenal gland and reproductive systems. This earth related smell, elimination, annamaya kosha, mind, survival. Those who are having anxiety, worries, depression, no confidence level of survival, and suicidal tendency, those people, they focus on the Muladhara chakra, base chakra. They can develop themselves confidence level. Then they can be a very good survival power. This base is very important for all the chakra. Once you are activated base chakra only, other chakra will be activated. So focus on base. Is present in the perineum, in between the anus and the urinary orifice. Where is the top of the head, and putting the straight line to the base is a base chakra. It's related to eliminations of all unwanted thoughts and function on our thoughts. Smell. Mantra is lam. Mudra is chin mudra. Keep the thumb finger and index finger. This chin mudra or jnana mudra. Keeping up is jnana mudra, down is chin mudra. Have 4 petals. Color is red. You can think about red color. Those who have no confidence, they can put the red color dress. It will develop your confidence level. And think about mantra lam. Children visualize themselves red color, or they can chant lam. We'll chant 5 times. Those who have any disturbance in the chakras, they can go with the same chakras. Now we are on Muladhara chakra. Lam. 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 We'll go for second chakra. Swadhisthana chakra, present below the navel. It contains 6 petals. Is Vyana Vayu. In Muladhara is Abana Vayu. Functions procreation. This creative thought will be increased. Our creation. It activate the and strengthening the reproductive system. It is taste, water, color orange, mudra, jnana mudra. It It correct the Annamaya Kosa. Mantra Vam. Sacral plexus. Swadhisthana Chakra. Sacral plexus. Dhyana Mudra. So left hand below, right hand should be kept above for male, and thumb finger should touch, and female can keep left hand above and right hand below and touch the thumb finger. Sit, keep the below the navel place, and mantra they can think about color orange. Those who have no creative thought, they can keep this mantra and color, orange color will make them creation. New creative thought will be improved. Mantram Vam. Vam. We can say silent also. We can make sound also. Better make sound, so mind will not be deviated. Children make sound. Elders and adults can keep. They can do with the silent. Vam. 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 Visualize the orange color. Go for third chakra. Manipuraka chakra, above the navel. Color, yellow color. Seeing power. So it is emotional sheath. It gives the power, the movements. It correct the Samana Vayu. So Swadhisthana correct the Vyana Vayu. And Muladhara correct the Abhana Vayu. Here mantra is the Ram. It's the solar plexus. A disease related to their abdomen will be corrected, mainly for diabetic, pancreatics. The solar is power, strengthening of your abdomen organ. Gland is pancreatic. Mudra is Mantaki Mudra. Clamping all the hands together and keep the middle fingers touch. So keep the above the navel, or we can keep all the fingers together and keeping the abdomens, or Mantaki Mudra. On the abdomen. Color, you can think about the color of yellow. Pedal is 10 pedals there. Yellow color. Chant mantra Ram. 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 7 mantras, 7 color, 7 organs. All the koshas will be corrected. They can come from Mooladhara, Swadhisthana and Manipuraka. This give those are weak, very lethargy, very tired. They not have a power of confidence. They can think about this Manipuraka chakra. Then they will feel powerful thoughts and powerful physical body. Now we'll go for fourth chakra. Manipuraka chakra is solar plexus and fire. Now this Anahata chakra, center of the chest, activating the thymus gland, heart chakra. It have 12 plexus pedals and pranamaya. It cure the pranavayu and body feelings, love and affection, desires, all will come this. Whatever chest related diseases, mainly heart, Annamaya Kosha, Anahata chakra will be activated. Mantra Yam. This prana will be corrected. Base chakra is Annamaya, Swadhisthana is Annamaya, Manipuraka is Manonmaya, this is Pranamaya. So Pranamaya Kosha will be corrected. Mudra is Batma Mudra, lotus. Or we can keep Chin Mudra left hand, another Chin Mudra on right hand. Keep the center of the chest. Chant mantra. Yam. 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 Color green color. Then keep lotus also. Think about. Yam. This position we can sit 2 minutes in each chakra, or wherever your problem is there, your heart is weak, then sit in this Anahata chakra, activating. This thereby we can cure chest related diseases. This is cardiac plexus related organ will be strengthening. Your mind and love and desires will be balanced. So more love will give without expectation. That is a true love. If you are affected with some imbalance, this mind, this heart chakra will be affected. So we cannot reach to the bliss state. So you should be, body and mind should be balanced. So these chakra have 12 petals. You can think about green color and mantra Yam, and we can put the mudras in this and sit and meditation. One day, one meditation we can do. or one, you can 7 days you can take 7 minutes chakras. At least 1 week 1 chakras also we can take, thereby we can reach bliss state. In Sakasana we can reach it. Slowly we activate all the chakras. Wherever are lacking, you do focus on that chakra. So that chakra is skewed, then only you can go to other chakras. We can go for 5th chakra. Visuddhi chakra is intellectual sheath. Vinjanamaya kosa. This Heart chakra is Manonmaya kosa, and Manipura is a Pranamaya kosa. This is throat chakra with the pharyngeal plexus. Visuddhi chakra. It helps you to speaking, communication, hearing of speech, listening also increase. So Akash connected to. Color is blue. We can hear those who are very poor communication. Focus on Visuddhi chakra. You should tell lies. If you are telling lies, this chakra will not work. You should be truthful. Speaking truthful only, this chakra will activate. Avoid speaking lies. Then only you can activate the Anahata chakra to Visuddhi chakra. This is above the sternum, center of the notch, related organ, thyroid and parathyroid gland, especially for speaking and communication. Mantra hum. Mudra is Grandhita mudra. Keeping all the hand clamp each together and thumb finger touch above that. Color is blue. You can keep the and the abdomen. Support the lap and the thumb finger towards upward. Focus on Visuddhi, throat chakra. Say mantra hum. Take a deep inhale. Hum. 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 What blue color? It has 16 petals. So it's related to Vinjanamaya kosa, connected to the bliss state. We'll go for 6th chakra. 6th chakra, Agna chakra, center of eyebrow, 3rd eye, cavernous plexus. Mantra Aum or Om, related to intellectual sheath, Vinjanamaya kosa, mind, activating the pituitary gland. Color indigo. Mudra is Kaleshwara mudra. We can, those who have concentration and memory, activating all the chakras is the main chakra, and decision making and conscious level alertness, awareness, all will give from this Agnya Chakra. Brain activating chakra, Kaleshwara Mudra. We have to keep thumb finger together, middle finger together, other finger to bend. That's the phalanges. So like this thumb middle finger forward and this thumb finger towards you, and think about the Agnya Chakra. You can chant Om. It have two pedals. Keep the below the breastbone. The thumb finger toward pointing you, chant Aum. Color indigo. Silently you can say Om for adult. Children can chant by Om. The Agnya Chakra will be activated. We'll go for 7th chakra. The 7th chakra is Sahasrara Chakra, top of the head. The crown chakra, it has thousands petals. Color is violet. It gives super consciousness. Agnya is Vinjanamaya. This is Anandamaya Kosa, connected to universal. Oneness with the universal. Your spirit and will and your inspiration and divine and wisdom. All the things deal with these higher self to these chakras. Mantra will be silent or Om or stream. You can connect super conscious power. Then we can connect with the oneness of universal. Mudra, Sahasrara Chakra Mudra. It has thousands petals. Keep all the fingers together, clamp together. Keep right finger on the hold that. Now ring finger, keep them, and all the fingers should be back, clamp together, and the ring fingers should be up, and keep the above the stomach. Silent meditation, connected with the top of the head. Hello viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and your comments and share it to others. We seen all the chakras will activate through the color Muladharam, Swadhisthhanam, Manipurakam, Anadakam, Visuddhi, Agna, Sagasthana. The base chakra is very important. One by one, all the chakras can be activated. This conscious level and superconscious level will be what you are doing, what you are going to do, how your goal can be achieved through all that your decision making and love and affairs and your strengthening and creative thought and your confidence level, all will be balanced yourself. You can balance yourself from the happiness to worries. All the things, your mind and body can be balanced through these chakras activating. Your chakras activating, your hormonal will be balanced. The Sagasthana chakra related to the pineal gland, the pineal, pituitary, thymus and thyroid gland and thymus and pancreatic and adrenal and your reproductive glands, all the hormonals will be balanced. All the glands will be work very well. Your Annamaya and Pranamaya and Manomaya, then Vinjanamaya and Anandamaya kosa. 5 sheath of bodies will be streamlined. You can practice this weekly once or daily to be corrected all the chakras, all the organs, all the functions. You can cure the disease through the chakra activating meditations. Namaskar mantra. Shanti, Shanti.